The wind has been crazy these last few days. We are dealing with, or rather Chris is dealing with, a slight problem with our drone. Ants. What can I say? We'll give our thoughts on lithium-ion and general battery safety and disposal.
This old battery that I've got has only lasted for about 5 years. I'm gonna check on a few problems that we're starting to get again at this same site that we're at in Meridian with some ants, and not big ones, those little bitty micro ants. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about is batteries and what do you do with them, especially with lithium-ion batteries. I'm constantly trying to learn more tips and tricks for doing my editing.
Chris proves that you're never too old to be learning new things.
You know, it's kind of odd. Usually from here, I can't hear the freeway. It's a good 2 miles away, but for some reason, it's just, everything's picking it up today. One of the things that I'm gonna have to do is get in Amazon and order a new battery for the drone. This old battery that I've got has only lasted for about 5 years. I say only. 5 years is a pretty good amount of time. And lithium ions are pretty amazing. The drone I've had since before we started full-time RVing, and it was secondhand when I bought it. I think I paid $700 for it. It's one of the original Mavic Pros. And it's been amazing what this little thing can do. Granted, I made a lot of repairs on it, and that's not been a bad thing. It's something that I could work on, and I've gotten taken care of. So we'll be in the market and see if we can find something inexpensive. I know it's probably better to buy a newer drone, but we just can't put that kind of money out right now. So we'll fix the old one up again. And with any luck, she'll be out flying and doing her job of helping to bring you some of the most beautiful sights in the world. We do have a good time with it, and I have a great time with it. Grizzy's not so sure about it. He thinks that it's something that's trying to hurt us, and he tries to protect us from it. He's very cute. We're going to finish our walk today. I'm going to check on a few problems that we're starting to get again at this same site that we're at in Meridian with some ants, and not big ones, those little bitty micro ants. Boy, what a pain in the arse they are. But we're doing everything we can. We've spread out some borax and sugar to try and attract them and take care of them, but it's a long, slow process. We'll get it done, just one thing after another. Talk to you in a bit. Another beautiful morning. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about is batteries and what do you do with them, especially with lithium-ion batteries. There's a big possibility there for those to be extremely dangerous. Please don't ever throw them away in your regular trash or in a dumpster somewhere thinking that that'll just take care of it. It won't. And if you don't know or you haven't seen videos of it, if you puncture the seal on a lithium battery, as soon as it gets oxygen, it'll turn into a flaming mess. And it's almost impossible to put out. It's almost impossible to drown it. So dispose of it properly. Give it to a hazmat site, a collection center, where they can take care of it the right way. If you put it in the trash and a dumpster truck comes to pick it up and it gets punctured while it's in the back being compressed while they put more trash in, it'll turn into that flaming mess and it could seriously damage that truck. And we're looking at hundreds of thousands of dollars of problems. And the city can get pretty good at tracing it back to where that came from. So just don't do it. Be a responsible drone pilot. Get rid of it the right way, and then once you do, always store your batteries in a lipo-safe bag so that if anything happens, it doesn't mean your home's going to get burned down. And our RVs are notoriously made out of flammable products. So store it in the RV that you're using in the lipo-safe bags. And even better would be to put it in like an ammo can to help protect it even more, keep the oxygen out. We've had a couple of old friends move back into the park with us, but they weren't able to stay. They've moved in and their RV is locked up because they've had some family problems that they're taking care of. Issues that they'll be able to do, but they had to fly up to Oregon. So we're kind of keeping an eye on the RV for them. And then about the time that we leave, which will be this next weekend, they'll be back and they can take care of their rig again. It just means we don't get to see them as much, but it's not bad. Everybody helps each other the way we can here in this community. Looks like the wind got to that mesquite again. Another bunch of boughs down. I'm constantly trying to learn more tips and tricks for doing my editing. And one of the other things is that I have the Adobe suite. So one of the things available to me is a few samples of the Adobe Cloud and Adobe Stock, where they allow me to download a few things every month or so. So I need to take more advantage of that and download like lower thirds and Mogerts that they have available on their Adobe Stock site to help me make better YouTube videos. So I'm in the process of learning how to do that now as well, trying to add to changing it up a little bit, the things that you see in the videos. It's a process, but I'm catching on.
Insiders, if you get a chance, let your friends and family know about OLT. Maybe they'd like to become part of the community.
Today is going to be a little different for us because we're doing haircuts this week. I've already gotten mine. I use a cheaper company like Great Clips to take care of mine, but Shelley always likes to have someone special that she really trusts to do hers. The lady's name is Jackie and she's fantastic. She takes such good care of Shelley. And we're going to see her at about 5:45 today. she was able to squeeze us in over a long period of time because Jackie is always booked. She's so good. And she's a wonderful friend for Shelley and I. So later this afternoon, we'll head down to see her and get Shelley's hair done, and she'll be all happy again. It's been a long time since her last cut, and she'll do a great job. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.
To all of our viewers, don't forget to like, hype, and share this and all of our videos with your friends. Please travel safe.